Alright guys, what I got here behind me is a 2014 Honda Rukus. Alright, here on the Honda Rukus, you have a 150cc swapped engine. I believe it's a GY6. And here, you can see it has a ankle bite, gear and pulley setup, transmission kind of thing. The tire is pretty good here. It's got a racing exhaust. Alright, if we come over to this side of the Honda Rukus, you see this nice alloy wheel. It's called a Fatty Swap SS aluminum rear wheel here. This is actually, tire has been stretched on here. It's a 30 by 70 here. The engine has a GP racing exhaust here. The engine here, as I said in the last clip, the engine is a 150cc. I believe these come factory with 50 cc's. Alright, if you make your way up midways to closer to the front of the Honda Rukus here, you can see it has a 14.5 stretch jet here. This Honda Rukus is a very affordable and reliable vehicle that you can build at home in your garage, especially if you're like 14 or 15. You can actually license one of these. They're actually street legal. 14-year-old kid, you can little under $2,800, you can build one of these as you see it here in your garage. Now, of course, every Honda Rukus like this needs to be equipped with a brain button. Would I buy one? Yes, I would.